Repurposing blog posts into social media content with AI is a game changer for anyone looking to maximize their content strategy. If you're tired of spending hours creating fresh social media posts, stick around, because I'm about to show you how to use AI to repurpose your blog posts quickly and effectively. By the end, you'll have a streamlined process that can save you tons of time. Stay tuned, because I'll also share a free trial of the software we're using today, exclusively for viewers of my channel. First, let's talk about why this is important. Blog posts are packed with value, but they often get buried in the sea of content online. Repurposing them into bite-sized, shareable social media content not only gets more mileage out of your work, but also expands your reach to different audiences. Here's the best part. AI can automate most of the process, saving you hours while maintaining quality. The first step is to identify the main points from your blog post. For example, if your blog post covers 5 tips for increasing productivity, you can easily extract these 5 tips and use them across multiple platforms. Using AI tools, you can quickly summarize and break these tips into small, engaging posts that can work for platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or even LinkedIn. AI can also help you craft headlines, hashtags, and even captions, tailored to the platform you're posting on. Now, let's talk about the software we'll be using. This software allows you to input your full blog post, and it will automatically identify the key points, summarize them, and create post-ready content for social media. It's that simple. The software will even suggest a variety of content formats, like carousels, short-form captions, or quote images, to make sure your content is optimized for each platform. What's great is that this software can take your blog post, generate multiple social media posts from it, and adapt the tone for different platforms, whether it's casual for Instagram or more professional for LinkedIn. The AI goes beyond just text too. It can generate visual ideas, like quote cards or image captions that you can easily pair with your posts, making your content more visually appealing. Once you've used AI to create your content, schedule and automate the posts with the platform's scheduling tool or an external tool like Buffer or Hootsuite. This will ensure your content is being published at the best times without you needing to manually post every day. And here's the key takeaway. Repurposing blog posts into social media content with AI is not only a huge time saver, but it also ensures that your valuable blog content reaches a wider audience. By using AI to automate and streamline the process, you can efficiently turn one piece of content into multiple posts, each optimized for the platform it's on. To recap, start by identifying the key points of your blog post, use AI to summarize and format the content for different platforms, and automate the posting process. This will help you keep a consistent presence on social media without spending all your time writing new content. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we've used today. You can find it in the description below. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to grab it while you can.